Here's a Vizio smart TV. This is the V series. I'm going to show you how to fix the TV if you have a black screen. I'm going to give you a few easy options to get you up and running right now, and nothing to do with taking anything apart. Okay, so you can do this at your home right now. So the first thing we want to make sure is maybe the power button is the issue in your remote. Okay, so with your TV, make sure it's plugged in. And then what you want to do is look for a button on the bottom. Okay, mine's on the left side here. Yours might be in the middle. It might be on the right. It might be in the back right or the back left area somewhere. Okay, anyway, so screen's not on. Just go ahead and tap that power button and hopefully your TV now turns on. Now, if that didn't work and your screen is still black, the next thing is this, okay? While the TV is plugged in, just pull the power from the socket, count to 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then you can turn your TV on using the remote or using that button on here, okay? And hopefully your screen is now working. Now, if you still have a black screen, then the last option I have for you is this, okay? So again, while it's plugged in, we're gonna go ahead and pull the plug. And now, remember that button down here. Now with it unplugged, we're gonna press and hold this button, press and hold it for 30 seconds. Just keep holding. After 30 seconds, let go. Plug the TV back in, turn the TV on, and hopefully your screen turns on, okay? Now, if you still have a black screen, then what I would recommend is try all the steps again. Try it 2 times, 3 times, sometimes 7th time is the charm, okay? Anyway, if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. I'm gonna say at least 70% of you guys should give me a thumbs up, all right? Good luck, guys.